Hello, friends! I used to tell all of you to keep practicing English daily. But then, how do you do that? Learning English alone cannot make you speak like a native speaker. It requires four main skills, that is, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Don't get overtensed about that. Today, I'm gonna help you with 10 tips that will help you to improve English with these four skills inside you. So, let's get started. So first and foremost, let me tell you something. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be confident. People can only correct your mistakes when they hear you make them. So, don't be shy. Don't be afraid to speak out in English. Feel English, know English, and just speak it out. Don't bother about what others will tell about you. Number 2. Keep a notebook of new words to learn. Use them in sentences and try to say them at least 3 times when you speak. Doing this will help you to improve your vocabulary. Number 3. Watch children's cartoons and read children's books. Don't be embarrassed, just believe me. As it uses simple language for children, no hard words are used in it. So, by reading such books and watching such cartoons will help you a lot to catch up with that language. Number 4. Listen to English songs and movies. All songs are modern songs, the type you prefer, but pay attention to its lyrics and just sing along. By doing this, you can improve your accent and fluency. Not only songs can help you, but also movies in English. Try to watch movies with subtitles at first, and then slowly avoid the subtitles and just try to understand what they're talking about. By doing this, you can improve your listening skills as well as speaking skills. Number 5. Change the operating or default language in your mobile phones and your computer into English. Whenever you take up social medias too, change their default language into English. At first, it will be a little difficult for you to move on with that, but then by moving through it and using it every day, slowly you will be improving your language. Number 6. Talk and record yourself. At first, this may sound funny for you, but trust me, this will work a lot. All you have to do is tell something and record it. Let it be a story, a speech, or whatever it may be. Say it clearly and record it clearly. And then, by playing the recorded clip over and over again, it will help you to make necessary changes to your language. Repeat this same procedure until you are satisfied with your result. Number 7. Stop watching and reading news in your native language. Newspapers are a good place to gather up information, right? But are you reading newspapers in your native language? If yes, change it into English newspapers. If you are watching news in your native language, then switch it to English news channels like BBC, CNN, etc. As news plays a very important role in our daily life, if we are watching it and reading it in English language, we will be more familiar to that language instantly. Number 8. Writing a journal or a diary entry. Writing a journal is a very good habit that one have to grow up. Spending minimum 5 minutes before you go to bed to write a diary entry is a very good habit. You can include anything in that. For example, anything that made your day. It will help you improve your writing skills as well as your vocabulary. Number 9. Shadowing. Shadowing is a particular method of copying someone. It can be anybody, for example, your favorite anchor, motivational speaker, singer, or actor, whoever it may be. Just shadow the way they pronounce each and every word and each and every sentences and try to speak out just like them. Trust me, it will work. Shadowing or copying a native speaker can make great changes in your English within a short period of time. You can improve your accent just like a native speaker's one. For that, just find out some audio clips of them talking or any interviews in English. Listen it carefully what they're talking about and how they're talking. And then repeat after the speaker and record your own version. Compare your version with the original and make necessary changes in the pronunciation, stress, and fluency in your speech. Repeating these steps over and over again, you can make your English better just like a native speaker. Number 10. Find a partner to speak English with. Finding a partner to speak English with will help you a lot, so that you can practice your English with him or her all the time. The more you practice, the more the words will naturally pour out of your mouth. Rather than being nervous about making mistakes or making sure what you're telling is correct, a friend or a partner can definitely help you with it. So, trusting him will lead you to speak English with him more comfortably and confidently. So these are the 10 tips that I was talking about. If you start switching on to these 10 practical tips one by one in your life, trust me, your English will be improved within a couple of months. So, this comes up with the end of today's session. For more classes and sessions, subscribe my channel, Simple English Tutor. See you in our next class. Bye.